I made this row until here. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch, make a slip stitch, go to corner, make corner, start to crochet row 26, make corner, 2 stitches, 2 chains, 2 stitches, make 1 2 3 chains in here, skip these chains, go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 single crochet. We have one of these chains, 1 2 3 chains, make corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to these stitches, go to top of first stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains in here, 1 double crochet, 2 chains in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, go to top of last stitch, make 1 double crochet. We have 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet. Between these stitches we make 2 chains. After last double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, make corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to corner, make corner, and repeat 1 2 3 chains, go to top of first double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 chains in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains in last stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 in here, 1 2 3 chains, make corner, and repeat for this round like this. I made this stitch until here, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, make a slip stitch, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 2 double crochet in first corner, make 1 2 3 chains in here. In previous row we have one of these chains, go to here, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to next corner and make corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. I show corner, 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 3 chains, corner. 1 2 3 chains, go to top of this double crochet, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains. In next stitch 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet. I show 1 2 3 4 5. In here we make 3 chains, 1 2 3 chains, go to next corner, make corner, 2 stitches, 2 chains, 2 stitches, 1 2 3 chains, go to this chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, make corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, and repeat. 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, make corner, and repeat. I show I made this stitch until here, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, go to first corner, make a slip stitch, 1 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. We made first corner in here. Skip all of these stitches, go to next corner, make corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. I show we make 1 corner in here, 1 corner in here. In here in row 28, after these corners, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to top of this double crochet in here, pull up yarn. I show we have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to same stitch. I show now we have 1 2 3 4 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, make 1 cluster, add 1 2 3 4 chains, go to top of next double crochet in here, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, continue like this cluster, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through all of them. 1 2 3 4 chains. Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through all of them. 1 2 3 4. Pull through all of them. 1 2 3 4, and repeat. Make one cluster in here, pull through all of them. In here, after last cluster, 1 2 3 chains. I show 3 chains in here, 1 2 3 4 5 clusters. Between these clusters we have 4 chains. Add 3 chains in here, make corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to next corner and repeat like this. I made this round until here. I show corners, 5 clusters, make 3 chains, go to top of first chains, slip stitch,